So this is going to be your word work 2. So this is called the Frayer model. So this guy Frayer came up with this really cool way to learn words. And I really like it. This is how I think of words when I want to kind of memorize things, and I think this will help you guys. So the word I am using, you guys are going to fill in 3 of these. 1, 2, and then the third is at the bottom right here. You're going to tell me what word you're doing. And then you're going to turn the definition into something in your own words. So I chose distinct. Distinct right there. And now I'm writing distinct in my own words is not the same. It's different. Characteristics. So that means, what does it mean to be distinct? So people who are not wearing, who are not the same, who wear different clothes, who have different opinions, who like different music, those are characteristics of being the same, being different. So things that are not the same as everybody else. Then there's examples. So what's an example of something that is not the same, that's different? 2 people wearing different types of shoes. That's different. 2 people having a different hair color is different. That's distinct. A group of people all listening to different types of music in their headphones. So they're all doing something that's the same, but they're all listening to a different type of music. That's different, not the same. They're distinct types of music. And a non-example is people who are all eating the same type of sandwich, people who are all wearing matching clothes, people who all think the same way. These are all non-examples of things that are different. So you're going to do the same thing. Now, when I say a characteristic, because I think this one is going to confuse a lot of you, a characteristic of distinct is just things that are completely different. So people, characteristics, if I was to say what would if distinct was a word, what would he a person, sorry. If distinct was a person, what would he look like? He would wear different clothes from everyone else. He would have a different opinion from everyone else. He would like different music. He would not be the same. He would be different. So characteristics, if distinct was a person, this is what he would be like. And you're going to give examples of those things, examples of people being different, and examples of people being the non-examples or people being the same. That's not an example of distinct. You're going to do this for 3 words. I'm going to keep the directions and everything on here so that you don't have to go to a new Google Doc. You're just going to do this one. And don't forget, you're going to submit. There's going to be a button up here for you guys, and it's going to say submit. You're going to submit it. I don't have it here because I made the Google Doc, so I don't have to submit, but you guys are going to click submit. It should be, again, right up here somewhere. I don't know where particularly. It depends on if you're using a computer or an iPad. So that's your work for today.